Welcome everyone to this webcast. My name is Sanjay Koshatwar and I look after life sciences and pharma practice for IB Technology Solutions. IB Technology Solutions is a part of India Bulls Group, one of the fastest growing business group within India that has net worth of $4 billion. This group was started by three young engineers out of college in year 2000 and they grew so fast in the competitive market like financials, real estate and power by use of disruptive technology. IB Technology Solutions as spun as a separate company in 2011 with the same group of people who brought technology innovations. So basically, we are a young company uh, with the backing of a very strong financial parent. As a company, we have a strong focus on quality. Our certainly CMM level 3 certified, we are ISO 9001 and 27001 certified, and we are also HIPAA compliant. Our 1,200 employees across 11 global centers are delivering solutions to the marquee clients like Genentech, Citibank, Yahoo, Medivation, and so on and so forth. Our resource quality in general is much better than our industry peers that has been highlighted on these pie charts and graphs. Focus areas are life sciences, high tech, telecom, and capital market and financials. A little bit deeper about life sciences practice. It is one of the largest practice with 250 plus associates. Our engagement models are flexible to serve emerging companies as well as big pharma companies. IBT solution accelerators are liked by all of our clients, and our service spectrum has it covers wide area from molecule to market. High level snapshot of our solution offerings are provided on this slide. Sales and marketing area, we have solution offerings around MDM and CRM, revenue management, business insight. Within research, development, and medical affairs, we offer clinical dashboard, data warehouse, e-grant management solution. For within enterprise and regulatory compliance, our solution is a HCP aggregate spend solution and manufacturing operation reporting. Our level 1 help desk support, managed services, and computer system validation services are being used by our client very effectively. Our solution accelerator saves over 30% time to market, and we are proud to say that all of our projects are does not have a budget overrun. Let's take a deeper look at MDM Solution Accelerator. MDM is one-stop solution for biopharma companies dealing with healthcare professionals and organizations. It comes with pre-built data mart for sales data, activity data, and claims data, to give some example. It offers out-of-box connectivity with third-party data sources like IMS, WK, HMS, MedPro, and specialty data. Effective implementation of MDM results in accurate targeting, segmentation, and reporting. Thus increases operational efficiency and improved sales performance. And the best part is we can go live in 3 months without IT involvement at your end. Here is another example within of our clinical dashboard that provides leadership team information about the health of a business on demand. Our DWBI practice has delivered BI solution for top 20 global pharma practices, and our dashboard offers business metrics like patient enrollment, best performing slides, clinical supply status, and budget reporting. Clinical data warehouse is the backbone of our clinical dashboard. It has capacity to connect to industry sources like CTMS, patient reported outcomes database, safety database, pharmacoeconomics data, and so on so forth. It comes with a pre-built industry standard connector, enterprise level security, and up and running in 3 months, and again it's hosted, so require doesn't no IT support at your end. On this slide, this is our e-grants management system that ensures compliance. It's built on Force.com platform, and again it's a cloud based. HCP Aggregate Spend Solution Accelerator comes with a pre-connected interface with various third-party sources, spend sources, and internal sources. So it offers compliance, it ensures compliance, I'm sorry, integrates all spend sources, it connects with Excel, and it comes with a robust MDM support. Our state-of-art BPO center with 350 people capacity offers support and enabling functions so that business can focus on core competency. We offer L1, L2, L3 support for IT service management, data management, including data stewardship, application monitoring, and reporting. We also offer services for inbound, outbound marketing services, primary, secondary researches, and product support, call center, and product safety support. We also support multiple channel like email, self-service tool, chat, and phone. So why IB Technology Solution? So let's have a quick look. High quality resources with deep pharma experience we offer. Our customer friendly engagement models are most appealing. Agility of a startup and financial support of a large group. Senior management involvement brings quick decisions, and matrix driven project tracking offers professional services to all of our clients. For further information, please contact us by our email address is sales@ibtechnologies.com, or you can reach me directly at my cell phone number 240-252-8491, or drop me an email at sanjay.koshadwar@ibtechnologies.com. Thank you very much for your time, and hope you enjoy, and look forward to see you in Raleigh soon. Thanks.